Have you ever questioned yourself why universities provide with a college email ID to the students and staff? Generally, students use emails for the basic needs like receiving emails from their institutions or any other sources. Apart from it, students also use emails for making a contact to the person who they know or don't know directly. For example, if you want to make a contact with some ex person through your personal mail, you can contact with the person if and only when you know complete email address of the person. But in student email address, if you know the name or ID of the person with respect to that college email, you can contact with that person. In the compose option, when you type his name or ID relevant to his mail address, there will be some recommendation options. So by choosing the correct mail ID of the person, you can contact with the person. These are some of the basic things that you may do as a student. But do you know that there are many benefits you can get from this student email address? Hello everybody, I am Vamsi Kanakam. Presently, I am a third year computer science undergrad at VITIP University. Today, in this video, I will give you some idea about the benefits you get from this college ID. Generally, email address consists of .edu or .ac domains at the end represents as educational email addresses. Actually, there are many benefits you get from this college mail address, but I can't explain everything about this. So I will try to discuss some major benefits you get from this college mail address. Okay, now let us discuss some of the benefits you get from this college email address. The first one you get from is Microsoft. Microsoft provides you with free Office 365 applications. Office 365 consists of applications like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Azure, PowerPoint, Excel, Microsoft Teams and many more. I put a link in the description box. On clicking the link in the description box, it will redirect to the sign-in page of Microsoft. Sign in using your college email address. Once you're done, you will see a similar page like this. In this page, on the top right side, there is an option called Install Office. Click on it and then you get a download symbol. On clicking the download symbol, you will get Office 365 setup downloaded in your system. Once you go to the installation process, it all set. You can now use Microsoft Office 365 applications in your system locally. And the second benefit is from Google. Google provides you with a 5 TB of Google Drive storage. In this storage, you can upload so much data like files, documents, photos, videos, etc. And the third benefit you will be available from 1 TB of free OneDrive and on Dropbox storage. The fourth benefit you get from is Autodesk. Autodesk is a 3D design and modeling platform where you get softwares like AutoCAD, Tinkercad, Revit, Fusion and many more. And the fifth benefit you get from is Spotify. Spotify provides you a premium version for 1 year with minimal charges of 66 rupees per month. It's about 50% discount. Basically, for availing this 50% discount, you do not need any college mail ID because it only needs some documents as a proof that you are in a college. Some documents like your college ID card photo or college fee payment receipt, etc. By uploading these, you will be available 1 year 50% discount on the Spotify premium account. And the sixth benefit is from Adobe. Adobe gives you a 60% discount on its Creative Cloud. The Creative Cloud consists of softwares like Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Premiere Pro, InDesign, Lightroom, etc. where it charges you about 1596 rupees per month. And the seventh benefit you get from is RoboForm. RoboForm is a password management platform where you can store all of your passwords, and it also suggests by creating new passwords for your accounts. It gives security to your accounts. On student offer, you will get 1 year of free RoboForm premium version. And the eighth benefit is from Notion. Notion is a productivity platform where you can improve your productivity skills. It gives a very interactive interface where you can make notes, to-do lists and many more features. On the student discount, Notion gives you a free premium account for a period until you are in the college. If you are an engineer, it's a period of 4 years. If you enroll in a Notion platform at the second year or third year, it will end in the 4th year. The process for making a free premium account is given in the description. Check it out. And there are 2 more surprises for you. And the first surprise is from Apple. Apple gives students and faculty a 20% discount on all its products. On back to school offer, Apple provides a free AirPod on purchasing an iPad or MacBook. And the last surprising offer is from GitHub. GitHub provides you the student pack. In this one student pack, you get lot more tools and softwares to use with the free of cost. I can't explain every benefits you will get from this student pack, so I will give you a little glimpse of it. In this student pack, you will get 1 year of free Canva premium account, $100 credits of DigitalOcean on cloud hosting. You will get 3 different domain hostings for a period of 1 year with SSL certification. The brands which provide domain hostings are Namecheap, Name.com and TechDomain. For the master in the front end, GitHub provides you with a free 6 months premium on Frontend Masters. Frontend Masters is a platform where you can learn your front-end skills. For the period of 6 months, you get access to all workshops and courses for free. Second, with respect to the front end, is Bootstrap Studios. Bootstrap Studios provides with a premium until your college life. It's a desktop application where you can create a full responsive web pages for your websites. Adding on to the GitHub student pack, you get 2 years of free accessibility of all the things in the Heroku. Heroku is a hosting platform where you can host your projects, majorly dynamic applications. And the next one is Microsoft Azure. Microsoft Azure give access to 25 plus free Microsoft Azure services and 100 credits on Azure. And the next one is from JetBrains. JetBrains is a platform where it have many IDEs like IntelliJ, PyCharm, etc. On the student pack, you can get access to the professional JetBrains IDEs. Normally you get developer version of it for free, but with the student pack, you get free professional IDEs of JetBrains like PyCharm, IntelliJ, etc. And the next one is 3 weeks of interview preparation with Interview Cake. Interview Cake is a platform where it trains students for the interview. You will get access to 3 weeks of free stuff in Interview Cake. If you want to check out more what you will get from this GitHub student pack, I'll provide the link in the description. Go check the link in the description. So if you have any value added through this video, please hit a like button, subscribe and share with your friends. Thank you. See you on next video.